Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog starts out where the last vlog ended. I had a little self-care night, finished watching Perfect Match, did the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. That came in the birthday package from Sephora, from the Youth to the People birthday package. And the next day I hung out with my friend Amber and we went for dinner on the lake. We also went book shopping and then we picked up ice cream on the way home. We got this gnocchi to split at the restaurant and the ice cream that I got was a dairy-free sorbet. It was delicious, and then the next morning Luna was hiding in the sheets. She loves to do this. I think it's because it's really comfy for her. And then I took Elsa on a really long walk.
For a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Do you want to go for a walk? Okay, I guess we're going.
Another garden update. We've got our tomatoes still growing in strong. I don't see any others on here. The lettuce is coming back nice and strong too. We harvested almost all of it last time. The peppers could be doing better, to be honest. They're not doing that great. But the beans are doing great. I already see some starting to sprout. Like these ones, I think. And the ones that are higher up in the garden. That is a cucumber! So excited. This thing is a cucumber coming in. Oh, a fresh shower after a walk outside and spending most of the afternoon outside feels so good. I just feel so clean, so comfy and relaxed. That being said, I'm actually going out tonight. I think we're gonna go to the beach if it's nice, but it doesn't look that nice. We might not, but I am teaching in the next hour or so. I also don't know what the heck happened here. It's like a weird burn, probably from being out in the sun, not wearing enough sunscreen. Definitely wear your sunscreen. I forgot to the other day and I got burned. But anyways, like I was saying, we're gonna go out to the beach tonight, but I don't think it's gonna be that nice. We might just stay in, but I did want to show you guys everything I bought recently. In my last vlog, I was online shopping a little bit because I had some, what are they called, gift cards to spend, and I found some stuff to spend them on, and the things arrived in the mail today, and I'm getting the rest sometime next week, I believe, so I'll update you guys once the rest of my order comes in. But I got some things from Lululemon as well as some things from Dancewear Center, but for now I'm just getting ready because I teach in the next hour. Just putting a little bit of makeup, not a lot, more so just like feel glowy, and to also hang out and chat with you guys because I love sitting on the floor and doing my makeup, even though I have a beautiful vanity back there that I could use. I definitely prefer sitting on the floor when it's like an overcast day like today, because over there, as you can see, the lighting is not great. It is not great, so I prefer to do my makeup in better lighting, such as right here near the window. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got too, because a couple of the things I just got like to wear and just because they're cute. Oh my gosh, I have fur in my mouth. And a couple of the other things that I got were things I needed, but I just wasn't bringing myself to spend the money on for dance specifically. So I'm very, very excited to share those with you. And yeah, we're actually leaving for vacation sometime next week. So by the time this vlog comes out, I'm hoping that I'll be editing the vacation vlog, sorry. Yeah, so today it is July. Wait, it's not even July yet, it's June. My birthday just happened. It's still like mid-June, but by the time this vlog goes out, it'll be July, I guess, which is wild. So I guess happy July if it's July. Watch it not be July and I actually get my stuff together. I also just know there's no way I'm gonna get my stuff together and get this vlog out before July. I've just been very lazy, to say the least. Been a lazy girl. Oh, a couple of other things that I got with my friend Amber last night when we went shopping. I got this Essie nail polish. I think I'm gonna paint my nails later today after I teach, and I also got this one, which I think is so summery and so fun. I'm very excited to use those. Let's curl these lashes as well. Oh, I just feel so comfy right now. I'm wearing my 1989 sweater and a pair of, what are these called? Linen pants. And I know I'm gonna have to get out of them because I'm gonna do a little try-on haul for you guys. And like I said, I got some things from Dancewear Center as well as Lululemon, and half of the Lulu stuff got here today and the other half is gonna get here in a couple of days or sometime next week. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'm very excited for that. It'll be fun. I'm also excited for vacation because I need it. I don't actually, because I've been kind of having a really slack 3 weeks, so I probably don't need vacation, but it's gonna feel good to, I don't know, get out of the house, be outside, be with some family, and jump in the water. That's all I wanna do. I just wanna jump in the water and swim. And hopefully the weather's good for that because the weather has not been good. I had my friends over this past weekend and I was hoping it'd be all sunny and beautiful so I could show them the magic of like cottage country. No, it was raining and thunderstorming the whole time. In fact, we had a tornado warning, so that was fun. And I'm like, guys, I promise it's not like this all the time. And of course it was only raining when they were over, but that's okay. We still managed to do some fun stuff. I was really hoping it wouldn't be raining because they brought their kids, and I was hoping I could like take them to a beach or like go hiking, go to a waterfall, do something outdoors, but the weather did not love us that weekend. It was fun. We still had fun. And like I said, I'm just going to do a little bit of makeup. So just mascara, and then that's it. Okay, so first things first, I got an order from Lululemon, and I think I told you guys in the last vlog that I was shopping there because one of my students gave me a gift card. So half the order arrived today and the other half is arriving next week, but I got this Align tank. I got it in a size 6 and I got the high neck version versus the low neck. I already have the low neck version and I really like it, but I just want the high neck one as another option for versatility. Also, love the Dance Studio pant. I wear it almost every day. You can ask my students, I wear the Dance Studio pant literally every day. So I got the Dance Studio pant, but the cargo version, the relaxed fit MR cargo pant. So I'm gonna try both these things on. I did up the size in the Studio pant because I think I have a size 2 and I think I actually got a size 6 in these pants. I just wanted something super baggy and super comfy. So let's see if these fit. Okay guys, so update. What I got from Lululemon does not fit. I'm so sad about the pants. They definitely don't fit. They're just like dragging on my feet. They fit the waist. I feel like they're just a tiny bit too big, but the pants are just too long. I got a medium thinking, yeah, I'm probably a medium, and I usually am, and Lululemon usually fits pretty small. So I got a medium because I'm obviously a medium in the tops because this is a size 6. I never go lower just because their tops are pretty teeny tiny. But the pants, I'm just a short person, so they're way too long. Otherwise, I love the top. I always love the Align tops, the Align tanks. And the pants are cute. They're just too darn long. Oh, excuse me. And then from Dancewear Center, I got some new shoes. I got the Sodanka flat shoes. I just wanted to try something different because I always use the Sancha ones. So I wanted something different. They're already sewn, which is nice. I also got a stitch kit. And lastly, I got a Leo that was on sale for clearance, and it's just like this black mesh one. Super simple, super pretty. I'm gonna go try this guy on too. Okay, so this leotard is not the nicest. It's like I can understand why it was on sale. This material doesn't stretch. It's like super tight on my traps. I just feel like this part especially, because it's where all the seams kind of come together, it's just very like pushes down here and it's uncomfortable. It's like on a pressure point or something. So I don't know, it's not the most comfortable, but it is pretty and it's like nice and soft. Like obviously the material's nice. Let's try it with the skirt and see. Okay, so I think I've concluded. I think I'm gonna keep it just because A, it's a hassle to return things. I just hate it. And B, the more I wear it, the more comfortable it's getting. And I think the only thing, it's like it fits. The only thing that's bothering me is this part. It's just really digging in. So maybe I just have to get used to that or like pull it up or something. I don't really know. Yeah, I feel like if I pull it up, then it's off of that like trap pressure point. Maybe I'm just too swole. I've been hitting up my exercises too much. But yeah, I like it with the skirt. I think it's pretty. I like it. Let's try it on with the shoes as well because I needed new ballet slippers, as you guys know. And they're already sewn, which is nice.
So I ended up keeping the leotard as well as the shoes. I just really liked the way that the leotard looked, and it did end up stretching quite a bit, so it ended up being quite comfy, and I wear it in today's vlog to try to test out how it moves, and I'm glad that I kept it because I fell in love with it. The next day, Steve and I went grocery shopping. We went to Winners and did a little bit of shopping, and then we stopped and got dragon drink and this little orange creamsicle cake pop that was so delicious. We also stopped by A&W.
I got the Beyond Meat burger.
And once we finished our lunch, we saw something so cool. We saw a fox. That's right, a fox was in our backyard. I've seen foxes before when we've been driving in country areas, but I've never seen a fox that close. So it was truly, truly, truly so cool to see. And then I made some desserts for the cottage stay that we're going to next week. Our theme is Harry Potter, so try to guess what these are supposed to be. You're probably gonna guess wrong because I didn't make them look the nicest, but let me know in the comments what you think they're supposed to be. Then I had dinner. I made this pie that had cauliflower and I think some kind of curry. It was so delicious, and the next morning I tried to take Luna out. She did not like it.
You wanted so badly to get out, and now do you like being outside? Maybe you do. There's lots going on. Okay guys, it's currently Sunday, June 30th or 31st, but tomorrow is July 1st, and I guess I'm doing my very last class. But I'm gonna throw on my new shoes that I got in my recent purchase with the Dancewear Center. And I'm gonna break them in a little bit. And yeah, Steve's working outside right now. I was helping him a little bit and I came back in because I wanted to dance while he's working on stuff. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna close out the vlog after this. So after my ballet class, I'm probably just gonna hang the rest of the day, maybe prepare for our cottage trip for next week and call it a day and just hang out the rest of the day. Last night we watched the originals, but the night before we watched a scary movie. It was okay. It was like The Intruders or something. It was okay. It wasn't the best movie and it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. I was hoping for like ghosts, paranormal things. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna close out the vlog after this, after I do my ballet class. My new shoes, my new leotard too. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.